Hi, I'm Daisy, and I'm studying climate change in NASA. Climate change is the warming of the Earth through natural and human activities. Recently, it has gotten really bad due to the excessive use of fossil fuels and the emitting of carbon dioxide by humans. This has been damaging the ozone layer. Higher amounts of sunlight enters the atmosphere, melting the polar ice. This rises the sea levels, which puts more people who are living in coastal regions in danger. Climate change also kills off a lot of species around the world.
Hi, I'm Free, and I also work at NASA. I study about ways to keep the environment clean while still powering your everyday needs. Right now, people are using solar panels to power their houses. This reduces the CO2 levels because it doesn't use any fossil fuels and it still powers the building. Chicago has also started powering some of their buses with soybean oil. This doesn't spew out mass amounts of CO2. Instead, it produces a faint soybean scent.
A lot of people think that the switch to a more efficient and clean Earth is expensive, but it's not. I would like to take more money to fix the damaged ecosystems that we messed up with than to lower carbon emissions. Another thing that would be bad is the fact that millions of people will be affected by the change and we would have to compensate for them. So in short, don't believe solely what you hear. Think a little bit.
Naquisha Trump is my name, and I'll teach you some things today. I'm your urban planner, and it's my job to ensure that architects and engineers are responding to climate change by using efficient, sustainable materials and designs. Climate change is a very important problem that can't be avoided. One way we can help with this white elephant is by using more energy-efficient everyday household appliances. These appliances use up less energy and sell for a lower price. Another way we can help is when we plan out blueprints for a building and community, we have to look out for high-performing schools. This is because parents will move there and make their children walk to school. We also look out for efficient transportation nearby, such as a train station. While building, we have architects use more energy-efficient materials and ways to build it. Heat island effect is when one area is hotter than another one nearby. Heat islands can affect communities by increasing summertime peak energy demand, air conditioning costs, air pollution, and greenhouse gases, heat-related illnesses, and water quality. A solution to the heat island effect is by using green rooftops. Green rooftops helps with not only vegetation but also the draining system of the building. It also helps with air pollution by clearing air and letting out fresh air.
Hi, I'm Ladasha. I am a policy analyst, but I used to work in politics until I discovered my passion for climate change. My job is to address worldwide, national, state, and local issues to all types of people, from average citizens to fellow politicians. In general, I am a spokesperson for things that affect people who I represent. Not only do I address issues, but I address policies and ways the issue can be solved. In this case, climate change is an issue that could affect every living thing on the planet. Think about it. In your lifetime, Santa will not have the North Pole to live in. He'll have to live in Florida or something, and a fat dude in shorts is something our eyes will not want to see. Climate change may be inevitable at this point, but there are initiatives being taken to help delay the dooming of the Earth. Yes, the dooming of the Earth. The United States has been creating more energy-efficient products and is trying to bring greenhouse emissions down to levels they were in previous decades. They are also trying to find ways to adapt to the changing climate in the future, just in case our existence is threatened. In the meantime, we are protecting our national resources, like forests, which are prone to forest fires. There are international initiatives being taken as well. The UN is in charge of the Kyoto Protocol, a project introduced in 1997 to help protect the world from global warming. Sadly, there are quite a few countries that are not on board with the project, United States included. Many people are encouraging the US to be a part of it, especially because we are the largest contributor to greenhouse gas emissions.